Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus. Next chapter I have started in my previous class, pair of linear equation in two variables. So this one is third chapter in our textbook. So introduction of this topic I have given already in my previous class. So from this class we will be doing exercise sums. Now this one is exercise 3.1. First sum we will do now. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So, you are asked to represent the given situation algebraically and also by graphically you are asked to represent. So for this, two conditions is given. One is I was. So here this is the comparison between Aftab and his daughter. Okay. 7 years ago, I was. I means Aftab was 7 times as old as his daughter. Okay. This is the first condition. So according to the question, first condition given is 7 years ago. So before taking this, we will take the age of Aftab and the present age of Aftab and his daughter be X years and Y years. Let the age of Aftab be X years. Percentage we can say. Percentage. Okay, percentage. And age of his daughter be Y years. So age of his daughter be Y years. So according to the given question, two conditions are given. I told first condition is 7 years ago. So if you take Aftab and daughter, if you take Aftab and daughter, Aftab age we have taken it as X years and daughter age we have taken it as Y years. 7 years ago. So if before 7 years, both their ages will be 7 years less. So X minus 7 and Y minus 7. X minus 7 and Y minus 7. So Aftab age will be X minus 7 years and daughter will be Y minus 7 years. This is the first. I was 7 times as old as you then. 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as. So this one is 7 years ago, I was. So I was means Aftab was 7 times as old as you. 7 times as old as you. This is the first condition. That is 7 years ago. So Aftab age is X and daughter age is Y. So 7 years ago means minus 7. I was 7 times as old as. So I was means Aftab is equal to 7 times as old as the daughter. Okay, this is the first condition. So when we simplify this, X minus 7 is equal to 7Y minus 49. Okay, so X, when I am simplifying this, X minus 7Y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. So X minus 7Y is equal to minus 42. So this is the first condition. After simplifying the first condition, I will get this equation. So this is the first equation. That is for the first condition, this is the equation. Then second condition given is also 3 years from now. 3 years from now. From here 3 years from now means plus 3. After 3 years. So same way Aftab and daughter. So Aftab is X years, daughter is Y years. 3 years from now. So X plus 3 and Y plus 3. I shall be 3 times as old as you. I shall be 3 times as old as you. So this is the second condition. So this one I will simplify now. So X plus 3 is equal to 3Y plus 9. So X minus 3Y is equal to 9 minus 3. So X minus 3Y is equal to 6. So this is the second condition. So we got two equations for this. They are asking you to represent this situation algebraically. So I have represented the given two situations algebraically. Now the same situation I have to represent it graphically. So for doing the graphical representation, first statement I will take. First equation I will take. First one is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Since I have to represent it graphically, I need coordinate points to represent the given situation. So minimum 3 points I need, so that I will find out. So minimum 3 points. One is x, the other one is y. So for this one, x is equal to, I am rewriting this, x is equal to 7y minus 42. So if I take y value as 6, my x value will be 7 6 are 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. So if my y value is 6, my x value will be 0. This is the first one. First points, coordinate points. Then if I take y value as 0, then x is equal to 7 into 0 is 0 minus 42. So if I take y value as 0, my x value is minus 42. Okay, then the same thing, y is equal to, if I take some other value for y, for suppose I am taking 1, y is equal to 1. So if I am taking y is equal to 1, x is equal to 7 minus 42. So 7 minus 42 is minus 35 is equal to minus 35. So my x value is minus 35 and my y value is 1. So I got 3 coordinate points for the given condition. The same way I have to find like this and do for the next one. So second condition is x minus 3y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3y plus 6. So the same way I have to get 3 coordinate points so that I can represent that in the graph. Okay, so here x and y. So if I take y value is equal to 0, my x value will be 6. 0 and 6. Okay, then if I take y value as minus 2, any x values, any y values we can take and plot it in the graph. So y is equal to minus 2. So if I am taking y value as minus 2, I will get x is equal to minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. My x value will become 0. Then y is equal to, any other number can be taken. So if I am taking x value as 2, my y value will be 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12. So x value is 12 and y value is 2. So all these things need to be represented in the graph. So this one I will represent it in the graph. So these points has to be represented in the graph. So these things I will erase. Then I will do a graph and represent these situations in the graph. So in that one. So first condition, only one graph. In that graph only we are going to represent both the lines. So this is the line. That is the coordinate point. This is x line. It is x axis, x dash, and this one is y dash. Since the x values are here, I am having as minus 42 and minus 35 and all. I am taking 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 here, and here this side on the other side minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40 and minus 50. This is minus 50. Okay. So same way, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. So here no need. Here we can take it as 1, 2, 3 itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is positive axis, the other one is negative axis. So we have these things, these coordinate points has to be plotted in the graph. So if x value is 0, my y value is, if x is 0 will be here and y will be 6. So x is 0 and y will be 6 will be here. 5, 6. So the point will be 0, 6. 0, 6 will be here. Then minus 42, 0. So here is 42. Minus 42 I will get somewhere here. Minus 42, 0 will be on the x-axis. So this one will be minus 42, 0. Minus 42 is x-axis. 0 is y-axis. So we will get like this. Minus 42, 0. This is minus 42, 0. Then the other one is minus 35, 1. This is minus 35, 1. I will get it here. Okay, so this has to be joined. This one is minus 35, 1. This is minus 35, sorry. Minus 35 will be here. This is 30 and 40, minus 35 will be here. So minus 35, 1. So this is minus 35. This point is minus 35, 1. So when I join this, I will get a straight line here. Since I didn't plot it in the graph, it won't be perfect for you. If you are plotting it in the graph, you will get a perfect line. So this line is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Okay, so this is one graph. The other one is x minus 3y is equal to 6. So for that one, that also will be represented in the same graph. 6, 0. So x value is 6. It will be somewhere here. This is 5. So next point is 6. 6, 0 will be here only. This point only will be 6, 0. So this is 6, 0. This point. Then 0, minus 2. So this is 0. 0, minus 2 will be here. 0, minus 2 will be here on the y-axis. 0, minus 2. Then 12, 2. So 12 will be here. 12, 2 will be here. This one will be 12. 12, 2 will be at this point. So here, when we join this, you will get a line like this. So this one is x minus 3y. So this point is 12, 2. Okay, so this point is 0, minus 2. So when I plot a line like this, when I plot points and make a line, so I will get two lines like this. So depending upon the points, I have plotted the graph in the given coordinate axis. So you will get two lines like this. As I told you, depending upon the graph, different lines are formed. Here we cannot say that it is parallel line also. Why? Because at some point it will intersect. So it may be intersecting line. So till this only, whatever we have derived, that we have plotted it here. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Remaining sums in this exercise I will do it in the next class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.